So you have the camping cot from ABORON. In this video, I'm going to go over the top questions I was seeing, which was what is the ease of setup for this? How much does the cot actually weigh? And then what is the weight capacity for that? And there's actually a special perk about this cot. I've reviewed a few of them now, and I'll let you know what that is when we get to the end too. But for that first question is what is the ease of setup for this cot? So this takes about 20 minutes for it to fully set up. I have a video going in the corner where you can see the whole thing in action. You just unfold the base and you put the cushion on top. There's gonna be straps on all four sides to secure it so it doesn't slide around, and then you're good to use it. So expect maybe 20 seconds for it to be fully set up. And now for that second question, what does it weigh? So this weighs about 16 pounds. They give you a carrying case with a strap on it so you can put it around your shoulder, but it is super light. So if you need to carry it with you or have to transport it from one place to the other, it's only 16 pounds. It's gonna be really, really easy to do. And now for that final question, which is what is the weight capacity? And this also brings me to the special perk this cot has that the other ones I reviewed did not have. So the weight capacity for this is actually 900 pounds. And what's cool about that is obviously you're gonna be able to sleep on it and have no issue. But with it being 900 pounds, it can work as like a bench. So if you're camping and you want to sit around with a couple of your friends, 2 or 3 people can sit on this with no issue because it's able to hold up to 900 pounds. With the other cots in the past that I've done, their weight capacity is maybe 400 or 500 pounds. So if you're trying to put 2 to 3 people on there, especially 3 people, you're kind of going to be testing the limit of that cot. With this one, you can hold up to 900 pounds. It's going to be able to suit 3 people sitting on here with ease. But overall, it's an awesome product. I'm somebody that's always just used like an air mattress or a sleeping bag when I'm out camping in a tent or maybe going to like a music festival. And I've been converted to a cot. They're way easier to set up. You're elevated above the ground, so if it's wet out or it is going to rain, you don't have to worry about waking up with a wet bed. And they're also just super comfortable to sleep on. So this gets 2 thumbs up from me.